How to make a quick landing page for an affiliate product. The affiliate product I'm going to promote is this one. It's called the Top 10 Affiliate Secrets. And Alvaro has chased down the 10 top Builderall affiliates, and we've got all their secrets. So this is the link I'm going to use. We pop over to Cheetah. This is the one I've actually made already. You need a hook that will get them to want to give you their email. So I put learn the top 10 secrets to get passive income with affiliate marketing. Then to make it more personal, I'll put what's your first name, but I did get into that too, but anyway. And then tell me your best address. I'm going to show, and then the next page is just thanks for subscribing. Go and confirm your email for instant access. So this is a dead simple email, dead simple page. So I'm going to go to a new Cheetah page. You can get this funnel for free with one click of a button when you join Builderall under me. So then you don't have to build it yourself. I'm just going to show you the basics. Create a new site, blank template, get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the panel a bit bigger. And we need to add an element. And we need an email marketing form. So you can choose whichever one you want. Let's have this one, and you drag and drop it. So the list I made for the other video is the top 10 test. And we're going to get rid of this, so we don't need it, and we're going to just add a header. Because we want it quite big, so we're just going to add some text. And drag and drop again. So we're just going to add a title. And if we change the font, I like Arial. And we want the size to be about 48. Save. And we're going to make it 2 lines. I'm going to make this 2 lines. Get rid of the label. There you go. Now you see what's happening. In fact, if we want to set the list, the one that we made before, then it will come up, what's your name? Let's do that. See? And it's about right now. So that's the first page, so we just save that one. Now we need to add a page. I'm going to call this top 10 test. when we want to create a new page. Now we need to go back and configure the pages. Right click, click the links, we're going to reset the action because that shouldn't be there. And we'll try again. So the pending subscribe is the page that we made, which confirm email. Then when you've confirmed it, you get the link for the top 10 affiliate secrets. Which is here. So you get your link and you put it in there. Save it. Publish it. And you're good to go. If you want a copy of the actual funnel, I can send it you with one click when you get Builderall under me. We are in Team Awesome. We've got lots of bonuses for you, lots of free software, lots of free traffic boosters. And we've even got a free paid ChatGPT thing that we can have access to as well. But that's only the tip of the iceberg. There's millions of others. So get Builderall today while it's still 50% off because it's going up on July the 15th. See you later, guys.